Hello and welcome my viewers. So today we'll be making Bengali Biryani Masala, and for the ingredients we need are here, and I've used this 1 teaspoon measure for it. And let's see now the ingredients. So gota dhone or coriander 1 teaspoon, mooli or fennel sage 1 teaspoon, cloves 1 teaspoon, shamorich or white pepper 1 teaspoon. This is javitri 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, or you can say 4 or 5. I have taken 3. uh, Jeera 1 teaspoon, kebab chini, which is one of the basic ingredients, key ingredients, it's 1 teaspoon, 3 or 4 sticks of cinnamon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, green cardamom 7 or 8, black cardamom 3, and 1 jaifal. I have crushed it and kept. So these are all the ingredients, and now let's proceed to making the masala. So now we are just heating up this pan and we will dry roast the masalas, and let's see. So in goes all the masalas, and we will dry roast them. We will fry the masalas for 2 to 3 minutes and in low flame, and when you can feel the aroma coming out from the spices, then it's time to switch it off and let the masala cool down completely, and after that we will do the grinding. So after grinding, this is how the masala looks like, and it's now ready for biryani. Try to keep this masala in an airtight container, that way the fragrance will remain intact for a long time. If you have liked this video, then please share it with your friends and family. And thank you for watching and have a great day.